Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video I'm going to be swatching some of my favorite red lipsticks that is apt for this Valentine's day that's coming up. I don't think you have to go out and purchase this. I think you already own most of these in your collection. You'd have some beautiful reds. You can just pick them up and wear that during this time. And for people who don't really like reds, I also have some other video coming up. I don't know when that's going up. I don't know if I can make it in time for Valentine's, but better alternatives that are not red. So yeah, what I have on my lips right now is a combination of a red lipstick. Actually, this MAC Cherry lip liner followed by Charlotte Tilbury Red Carpet Red, which is one of my favorite red lipsticks actually. A combination of these two, and I just topped it off with MAC Fashion Sweetie just in the center, just to give that blurring finish. I'm not sure if these Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks are still available because I think they've discontinued it. So this is the combination I have right now on my lips, and I love how it looks. It's great for just adding a little bit of glam, but it's not a transfer proof formulation, and that's the reason I'm actually checking my teeth ever so often to see if it's transferring on my teeth. The swatches to follow, of course, I'm not going to be using a lip liner. I know better than that you cannot see the shades true to itself. So the first one I have is from Maybelline, which is called Wild Card, which is my recent favorite red shade. Such a beautiful red this is, and it's a little bit on the neutral side. Then I have sort of like a deeper red from L'Oreal, which is called Plait. Then I have Firewood from Love Earth. This lip crayon from Love Earth is transfer proof but can be slightly drying on the lips. So if you have dry lips, it will exaggerate it, like how it is doing for me on my lips as well. And then I have Red Velvet from Insight. These lipsticks, though affordable, don't feel like that on the lips. They have that very nice moussey matte formulation. Then one of my all-time favorite lip crayons from Color Chemistry called Freesia. This is such a beautiful blue-toned red shade and has the right amount of pigmentation and depth. From Maybelline, of course, my favorite shade called More Ruby. Then I have Lakme Love Me Red, and it's a very like mellow red shade. Also from Insight, I have the shade Red Tart. This is a little bit more pink toned. Then from Fenty Beauty, we have Revenge, beautiful warm red shade, a little bit deeper. This formulation from Fenty feels a little bit more comfortable on my lips. It's not as drying and doesn't oxidize to a deeper shade. Also, two other shades from Fenty. One is called Tease. This is a blue toned red, and also the other shade called Toxic. Deep red with a lot of brown undertones to it, especially if you don't really like straight up red shades. Then from Charlotte Tilbury, I have the shade Cinematic Red. This was on, I think, 40% off during the recent sale. Then I have Romand Villain West. Then I have these two popular reds from Fenty Beauty. The first one is MVP Bright Red. Will emphasize any sort of dryness and bleeds a lot. And then I have HBIC. This also has a lot of like orange tones to it, makes it a very warm red shade. Apart from like swatching it, I don't really wear this that much on a day-to-day basis because of the way it feels on my lips. Like, it does exaggerate the dryness that I have, and also kind of little hard to maintain it. Like, it bleeds a lot. Then I have MAC Feel So Grand, beautiful red. Just look at that, it looks so good. It has dried up a little bit in the tube itself, so I have to revive it. From Love Earth, I have Blood Mary. Again, a very muted red shade and very pigmented and long-lasting formulation, but can be slightly drying on the lips. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do let me know if you want to watch more such lip swatches. And let me know your favorite red lipstick shade in the comments down below. See you in my next one. Bye.